Good morning. Hi, how are you? Welcome back to Circle Time with Mimi. I'm glad you're here. I need to have you help me do my good morning song. You ready? Let's get to it. Here we go. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Bonjour. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Our day is beginning, there's so much to do. Good morning, good morning, good morning to you, and you, and you, and you, and you. I am so happy you joined us again today. Oh, it is so lovely to see you every day. And, well, let's get moving because we can't just sit here. We can't just, all right, let's do this. No, we are going to get moving. And you know what? We are strong, right? We are going to exercise this morning. Yep, exercise. Now, I don't know if you know, I'll put it up there somewhere, but I have some other exercise. If you really like to exercise and you really need to get those wiggles out and you want to get stronger, well, then you can go to my exercise playlist. But for now, let's do some on our own. Now, when exercising, you should always warm up first, right? So let's do that. Let's do hip rolls. We'll do twice to the left and twice to the right. Let's reach down and touch one of our toes. Oh, I feel that in the back of the leg. Let's try that again. Let's do the other toe. Put out my foot. I hope you're making the sounds with me, otherwise I just feel silly. Here we go. Very good. Let's roll out the wrists. Everybody always forgets about the wrists. They're important too. Let's do the shoulder rolls. There you go. Go forwards. How about shoulder shrugs? Up and down, and up and down. Good job. How about the neck rolls? Oh my. If you hear cracking, that's Mimi's neck. All right, very good. And let's maybe hug our knee. Very nice. Good job. Oh, you guys are so smart. All right, I'm gonna roll out my ankles too. They're just like the wrist. They're very important. You can roll your ankle or twist your ankle very easily if you're not careful. And if you don't have this balance, you could always hold onto a wall. Oh, that's another one. Oh yeah, pull the foot till it's touching, your heel's touching your backside. Yep, you'll feel that right here. Let's turn around. It's best to hold the wall for this one. It's hard to have that much balance, unless you're a dancer. Okay, very good. All right. The first exercise we're gonna do is jogging in place. You ready? Let's go. Let's count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nicely done. Oh, I know what we can do. We can do, I don't even know what you call them, but we're going to touch down with opposite hands to the floor. And while we're doing that, we're going to squat. So watch me, and we're going to jump in between. Okay, ready? So I'm going to go 2, 3, touch, 4, touch, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, do you feel getting stronger? I got one. Toy soldiers. Now I'm going to show you from the side. We're going to take one hand and touch to the opposite leg. And the leg, we're not going to crunch our bodies. We're not bending over to touch that leg, that toe. We're going to stand nice and straight. Here we go. 1, 2. Here, I'll show you from the front. 3, 4, 5. See from the side. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't collapse those bodies. You want to be nice and strong. Let's hit the floor. Okay, so you got down on the floor. What we're going to do, we're down on the floor. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see. Now, I'm not going to go all the way back. I have my knees bent slightly, right? My heels are on the floor. You can't see them because I can't get all the way in, but they're on the floor, okay? And we are going to clasp our hands and we're going to go back to the side. We're going to twist as we're going back. And this elbow, the elbow is going to hit the floor. 1. Now I'm going to go the other way. 2, 3, 4. This is harder than it looks. 5, 6. This is targeting your side ab muscles. 8, 9, and 10. Great job. Well, you know what season we're in, right? The leaves are golden and red and all different colors, and they're falling from the leaves. What season is that? Is it spring? No. It's autumn, also known as fall because the leaves are always falling. I have a picture here. I'm sure some of you can relate to this one. What are the children doing in this picture? That's right, they're playing in the leaves. And what time of year do we say you play in the leaves? That's right, in autumn. Very good. Is it warm or cold outside? How did you know that? You can tell by what they're wearing. You guys are super duper sleuths. Look at that. Look at what they're wearing. Let's see. We have warm hats and long sleeves and vests on. Of course, it's got to be cold out there. You wouldn't wear that in the hot, steamy heat, right? Now, what are the children doing with their arms? Well, let's see. It looks like they're throwing the leaves up in the air. Oh, but what are they doing here? Oh, they're holding hands. How do you think the children are feeling? And how can you tell? Do you think they're upset? Are they sad? No? Are you sure? They're happy. How do you know that? Yes, they're smiling. That's one thing. Do you remember our feelings, our emotion, monster emotion activity that we did? You can tell by the eyes and the mouth. Here, there's no mask, so you can definitely tell that they're smiling. But it might be crinkled up as a smile. If they were sad, be tears coming down. If they were mad, eyebrows, right? Okay, great job. Let's get to that calendar. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Soon I'll teach you the days of the week in sign language. But for today, maybe we'll learn the numbers. You never know. Okay, so yesterday in the past, happened already, was Wednesday, November 17th, which makes today, we go from Wednesday to, remember, tongue to teeth and blow, Thursday, right? Thursday, November 18th, right? It's got an 8 in the ones column. So here it is, November 18th. Well, yesterday we did a countdown to my birthday, but there's also another day after that, Thanksgiving, for those who celebrate Thanksgiving. Let's do a countdown to both of those days this time. Let's see, how many days till Mimi's birthday? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And one more day makes 7 till Thanksgiving. It's 2 days in a row of celebrations. Woohoo! Let's get down to some counting. So here we are again, down by our numbers chart. Now, today is November, say it with me, 18th. Yes, today's the 18th, which means we should have how many 10s? Good, 1 10. And how many 1s? 8. Let's see how many we have in here. Count them with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We need one more to make 8. Let's get one in there. Does it go here? It goes right here in the ones column. You know, I'd like to teach you something right now. This will be our little activity for today. I'm going to teach you the numbers in sign language. Now, I know I do have a video on that, so if you want a review, you could always go there. But since you're here, let's get to it. All right, you ready to learn them? I'm so excited. Okay, so it's very simple, at least the first 10, and then we'll get into the numbers above it. Here we go. 1, pointer up. You see that? 2, looks like V for victory or peace sign, right? 2. 3, we're going to put the thumb out. Most people put we're going to put the thumb out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fingers up, 5, it's a whole hand. So let's review that. 1, pointer finger up. 2, pointer and middle finger up. 3, thumb out. 4, 4 fingers up. And 5, it's a whole hand. Now, what am I going to do for 6? I don't have another finger. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to touch your thumb to your pinky. 6. Now, for 7, you're going to touch your thumb, move it one finger over to the ring finger. 7. For 8, move it one finger over, thumb and middle finger. 8. For 9, move it one finger over, thumb and pointer. And then for 10, you're going to stick your thumb up and wiggle. So let's review 6 through 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, you must be saying, well, now what do I do for 11? I'm kind of out of ideas. Here you go. You're going to turn your hand towards you and you're going to flick. You know what flicking is? Like if you were like flicking a marble or something, like something across the table, a crumb. You're going to turn it to you and flick twice, okay? Because this is just one finger. So you're going to, that's 11. 12 would be flicking 2 fingers twice towards you. 12. Now for 13, it's a little different. You're not flicking out, you're bending in. Now remember, 3 is the 2 fingers plus the thumb. So you're going to kind of tap them together towards you. 13, very good. 13. 14 would be those 4 fingers that you would normally have up for 4, and you're going to bend them towards you. 14. 14, very nice. What do you think 15 is going to be? Well, you know 5 is a whole hand, so we're going to turn it this way and go 15, right? It's kind of like it's going to eat your face, right? 15, very nice. 16, now what do I do? I'm out of fingers. Well, do you remember 6 was the pinky and the thumb touching? You're going to take it, it's going to be facing you, and then you're going to twist it out to the other person to face them. 16, 16. 17, move that finger. Now it's the thumb and the ring finger. 17, 17. One more time, 17. 18, move that finger. Now we have the thumb and the ring finger. 18, 18. Just a flick of the wrist. 18. 19, you know how it is. 19, 19, 19. So what's 20 gonna be? Well, here you go. Take these 2 fingers and you're gonna touch them twice. Kind of like a birdie beak, right? That's 20. So let's start from the beginning and see if you got it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Practice on your own. We're here for circle time. We still have yesterday up. Oh my goodness. We need to change that. It's not Wednesday anymore. That was yesterday. After Wednesday comes Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Good job. Thursday. And yesterday was the 17th. That's not today. Today is the 18th. You're super smart. 110, 8 ones. So today is Thursday, November 18th, 2021. Nicely done, friends. And the weather today, the weather is not cloudy anymore. It went back to Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind that tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me. Yep. Mr. Sun is making an appearance today. It's a sunny day, so we don't need this anymore. The weather's going back up. Yay! Get rid of that winter hat. Let's find something we can wear. Something's for sun. Well, we don't need a flashlight. We definitely have plenty of that. Let's see. Oh, I got something. A baseball cap to protect my eyes from the sun. That's a good idea. Do you think I should wear mittens on a warmer day? No, don't need those. I think we can go back to wearing some jeans. Jeans and a t-shirt. There we go. All right, we said today's the 18th. Let's see if we have 18 bubble gums. Gumballs. Here we go. Let's count by fives. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Oh, we need one more. 18. What color will I pick? Oh, they all came out. Oh, my goodness. The back of it came off. Look at that. Here we go. So let's count to make sure we have them all. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. That's our number of the day. Good job. I didn't even realize this was still in there. Yikes. Silly Mimi. Oh my goodness. 18. Now, we have I keep calling them bubble gums. We have our gumballs. Let's review our color of the month and our shape of the month. Do you remember what they are? I bet you do. Our color of the month is green. No? Black. No. What was our color of the month? Orange. Thank you for reminding me. Orange, like pumpkin. Pumpkin pie, right? And our shape of the month, what is that? An oval. Very good. You guys are so smart. I can never trick you.